Hi guys and welcome to the vlog. Today we're gonna make an paper cutter. It can even cut paper, light cardboard, and thermacoal. So you can cut 3 things. Guys, I'm Krish. So I'll show you guys what all things do we need to build it. The things you need is a switch, normal switch. And then this adapter which fits to the motor. You look, this thing should go in the hole just like this. So now it's stuck in it. And then you need one vase CD, a scissor, battery, and electrical tape, hot glue, and this is optional. If you need for the cutter, you can just hold like this and cut. So it's optional. If you want to use it, you can use. Okay, so let's start the building. Guys, let's start the build. So first thing you have to do is take the battery, hot glue it, take it over here, or wherever you like to stick, and then first take this, connect it. Wait, now what we have to do next is take this, hot glue on the back, now we have got almost everything. Take this, and now hot glue on the back, connect it over here. Okay, now it looks good. So the next thing you have to do is take both of these wires. Wait, so we have to, I'll just twist it like this. Oh, battery chipped off. I guess you don't have to solder because it takes a lot of time. So I'm just putting it normally. I'll just take some electrical tape and tape it back. Let's hot glue it over here. Take this wire, connect it over here. Just connect it over here. Oh, need a scissor. I forgot to bring all of my tools and oh no. Now let's see, does it spin? Yeah guys, it spins. Now look, it spins. That's a good one. It's a good start. Guys, I got another CD. Yeah, guys, this is another CD. This CD is damn weak. I searched all of the CDs in our home and this is the most weak one. just be cutting in random places. Oh no. Yeah, it didn't fall on my leg. Oh. Yes, I made more of these, so now it looks really sharp. I just removed that thing off. Let's hot glue it. Oh yeah, now it looks good. Well, just oh yeah. Guys, now let's spin. Going good. So now we can cut some things. Wait, I'll take our cardboard piece. Wait, I'll on it. Oh no. Guys, I made some extra bits kind of thing. So this is one, this is just a smooth one, and this is the sharp one. So it cuts down good. I cut all these thermacoals. So guys, see you in the next vlog. Bye guys.